What's going on inside your head right now? What is this strange, first-person feeling of subjective experience and awareness that each of us possesses? Why does the mushy lump of brain matter in our skulls somehow give rise to the amazing experience of being alive that we call consciousness? These questions get at what philosophers and scientists call the hard problem of consciousness. There are many things we understand about the brain and mind scientifically, how we see, think, remember, perceive the world, but no one has been able to fully explain the emergence of conscious awareness itself. Why do we have inner qualitative experiences at all, rather than just being robots automatically responding to stimuli? How can we measure and study scientifically something that is inherently first-person, subjective, and private to each individual mind? This mystery spans disciplines, with neuroscientists mapping the neural correlates of consciousness, physicists speculating about quantum effects in the brain, psychologists studying different states of awareness, philosophers debating whether consciousness extends beyond just brains, and Eastern meditative traditions introspectively probing the nature of mind for millennia. Despite the difficulties, unraveling the hard problem is crucial to fundamentally understanding both ourselves and the nature of reality. In this video, we'll dive deep into the subject and tour some of the most exciting theories and questions at the forefront of consciousness research today. To start, let's go back to the very origins of consciousness. When did consciousness first emerge in humans through evolution? While we can't replay the tape, clues suggest subjective inner experience arose gradually as brains became more complex. Animals like dogs and chimpanzees clearly have rich cognitive capabilities indicative of some form of consciousness. Tracing the evolutionary path that led to human awareness can reveal much about the nature of our subjective experience. Fast forward to today, and how is neuroscience attempting to decode the specific brain areas and mechanisms behind conscious states? Technologies like EEG and fMRI are letting us map neural correlates of consciousness in fascinating detail. For example, we now know the cortex plays a major role, while activity in the thalamus seems vital for filtering and relaying information in conscious ways. Yet exactly how neurons generate raw, subjective sensations remains unclear. Some theorists propose we need to think beyond just biological processes. Quantum physics offers provocative possibilities for consciousness, such as quantum vibrations inside microtubules and brain neurons, correlating with awareness through mechanisms we don't fully grasp yet, or consciousness itself might be a fundamental property woven into the fabric of the universe at a subatomic level. Views like panpsychism suggest some form of mentality exists as an intrinsic attribute of all matter, not just brains. While still highly speculative, such perspectives may provide fertile ground for reconciling physical processes with the emergence of first-person experience. Looking forward, could we one day replicate human consciousness in an artificial brain built using advanced software and neural networks? Some believe digital consciousness is possible, while others insist true awareness only arises through undiscovered biological processes. And how does our sense of identity and self relate to the feeling of subjective consciousness? Are they inextricably linked, or perhaps illusions generated by functions of the brain that give rise to a false perception of an autonomous self in control? Tackling such questions takes us to the frontiers of philosophy and neuroscience. As you can see, the problem of consciousness remains profound, but the mysteries also make it thrilling. If you want to deepen your understanding of this topic that has fascinated thinkers for millennia, check out my book, The Hard Problem of Consciousness, using the link below. In it, we go far beyond the basics and explore philosophical perspectives, historical context, modern theories, and more around the greatest unsolved enigma in science and human understanding, the inner essence of subjective experience. Thanks for watching.